What are we about? Well, hi everybody.
Not what it starts.
So
This
yeah.
is tree.
I need to take off my
Hard.
glasses real soon. This is I forgot his name.
Joe.
Joe. Got it. Sorry.
He's a heffalump. And I'm Sunshine.
I'm Chloe.
We're hippies. Not Chloe. Me and Tree.
I'm Chloe.
And the
Look, I
person who
can't-
held Joe. Thanks, Brianna.
It's Brianna.
Is Brianna.
And this is.
Who are you?
That just looks really
I said I'm
funny.
Sunshine.
Oh yeah.
Stop.
Let's
Who
not
are
do
you?
this. We have to make up a good video, guys. This is lame.
No, this is funny. People will laugh at us. We have to do it slow so they know what it is.
It's.
No, it's mysterious.
It's a
object.
remote. It's a remote.
Oh look! What did we do?
I don't know. I hit a button.
Oh, it's this.
Why is this thing going up and down?
Because it's our
Because it's our
volume.
voice. Oh,
In bed.
Shh, guys.
Why is this thing going up and down? In bed.
That's what she said.
Don't
in
slap
bed.
me. You're so mean. Look
Is
at our
it a
awesome
bar?
pictures.
Okay, this is the first one.
This is the second, third.
And that's the fifth.
and that was at Circus Circus of
And-
get in the camera, Chloe. You're
Oh,
not
sorry.
in it. That was at Circus Circus of us.
Yeah, I need to look at the camera. Am I looking at the camera? Can you see my eyes?
I'm not. Look at my eyes move.
And we're done. Just kidding. We're back.
Look at my eyes.
Okay. Wait, we have to name this, don't we?
Name after. Don't discuss what you're
Stop.
like. Why are you
This is my
discussing
bird.
it on video?
This is my bird.
This little black dot.
Look, she's a nerd. Where is your nerd thing?
Oh, this nerd. Hold on.
Why is my
Nerd.
leg over there?
Nerd. Trying people.
Even though it says N-E-R-D, I scan the picture. What? No! Crap.
Too late. Say too late, camera. Too late.
Camera's so hot.
This camera talks.
She's
Okay.
mean to me. She brutally beats
I'm
me.
laying on tree.
I brutally
Alright.
beat Brianna, and now she's brutally beating
Hold
me
tree.
for some odd
Hi,
reason.
tree.
Say hello, Brianna.
So
Brianna.
I love looking at myself in the
I
camera.
blow in the
It's
wind.
pretty fun.
I have leaves.
She has leaves.
Remember when I used to do my
Tree
flower
has
song?
leaves.
It's like, oh yeah,
No.
your flowers.
You know, I'm gonna make some
That was the
emails.
best.
Yeah, you can.
Uh,
I'm like, I'm
The
a
camera
flower.
emo tree.
Yeah, like sunshine. What?
There's like a flower.
Show
in the
the
oak. Is your hand vibrating? Oh,
emo
that's.
tree. Yes,
Yeah.
Anna's hand vibrating.
I don't know what that thing is.
Pleasure.
Ew.
Just kidding.
You don't know what that's doing.
Public discussion.
Conversation
Public
turn into action.
discussion.
I'm
Comment
glad
our
you didn't
video
hear
and
me.
tell us
Did you hear me?
your public discussion about my vibrating hand.
Whoa. Or we
Look,
could
emo
just tell us.
tree, emo tree.
Okay.
hold on.
Oh.
It sees it.
What does it?
Emo.
Done. Get it out of my face.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
It's
well
emo,
just
tell
leave
you.
us a comment and thinking of how our awesome video was.
Tree gets the head.
And-
You must get my hair.
And like
Once again, you must get my hair.
And you can
I
tell us
said-
what you want us to do next time. Like make fun of something. Like
Like what video to make fun of, or like
yeah.
who to make fun of, or like
Like Harry
what
Potter.
to discuss, like what we
No,
feel about
oh,
something.
Harry Potter.
Like Layla Briggs. We can make fun
Oh,
of her.
hey, if you're watching
Yeah.
this, Layla, you're a big fat whore. I hate you.
I'm not in this part.
This is Anna Stanley, and not Chloe, but you're a big fat whore, and I hate you, and I hate your brothers too. Oh, and Brayden, and
Brayden's
Shay,
awesome.
and Shay. Well, I don't really hate Brayden. Like, no, I can't say that on public cam, but and yeah, so
I think Brayden's awesome. Yeah.
Public-
Brayden's
cam.
funny, but he's
He has an awesome accent.
a fat man whore.
He's
Fat
cool when
man
he
whore.
can remember my name.
He's cool and he can be cool, but
I think he's pretty cool.
like
Whatever.
99.9% of the time he's not cool.
I think you're cool all the time, Brayden.
I think we should just stop talking about people because it's not nice.
Okay. But anyways,
I'm not down with that.
leave us a comment on what you want us to make videos of. Make fun of someone that you hate, because if you hate them, we hate them too.
No.
No, not
if it's
really.
Sean.
Not if it's Sean or
Justice. I make no promises.
So just leave us a comment. Bye.
Wait,
Oh, wait.
Tree ends the video.
we're signing out with Superman and Lex Luthor and Chloe Flowers.
I'm in this, like, not in this little thing, but I'm just
We're
in the
super-
video.
Well, I stole Brianna's cape because she's wearing this really cool cape, and then I stole her cape. So she's
That's
Superman
the
and I'm
mysterious
Lex Luthor.
floating hand. You missed it.
I
No,
betrayed her.
it's Superman's cape.
it's
It's
Superman's
like woo, and then like
Yeah.
Luthor was like, and
Okay,
then she.
okay, smush us.
So I'm Lex
Smush us,
Luthor
Brianna.
and
Smush
Brianna
us with me.
and Brianna.
Yeah.
Is Lex Luthor. Signing out
You
with
just said
Superman.
I'm like Luther.
Okay.
Superman.
Okay, I've been
No, I'm
Signing
not
out
the
with Lex Luthor,
Bye.
Superman, and Chloe Flowers.